How to design a coffee machine interface. You may find ideas here. This is a coffee machine application demo. With doing LCD display, you can preset various kinds of coffee mode. And there are specification parameters. The selection message can be set to touch or drag. Press OK, enter into the payment page. After payment, enter into the producing progress. HMI technology is used by almost all industrial organizations, as well as a wide range of other companies, to interact with their machines and optimize their industrial processes. Are you looking for innovative, smart LCM solutions for your business? dwinhmi Technology Company Limited is a leading company that focuses on human-machine interaction, HMI solutions. With an impressive average annual growth rate of 65%, the company has made significant strides in the development of intelligent LCM application, R&D, CPU design, and integration across the entire industry chain technology. dwinhmi has established itself as a key player in the industry. The company's emphasis on human-machine interaction aligns with the growing demand for seamless and intuitive interfaces in various industries. dwinhmi's expertise in this area has enabled it to develop solutions that enhance user experiences and drive efficiency in diverse applications.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform,